Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and I am Louisa Oputa in case you don't already know. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a braided wig, all back braided wig, and we're going to be ventilating it ourselves. So yeah, if this is what you're interested in, please guys stay tuned. Welcome guys. So yeah, today's video is not going to be a long one, it's going to be a very short video. So I'm just basically going to show you guys the necessary steps to take to make this beautiful all back wig that you see. So now I'm just going to show you guys how to ventilate the lace wig. Sorry guys, I don't have the video of how I actually customize the cap, the wig cap to start, but I will do that in my next video. So now guys, I'm just showing you guys how to ventilate it. I like to ventilate my lace wig or my attachments. I like to ventilate it one strand at a time because it just gives it this very natural look, and that's what I was trying to go for. I didn't want it to look as though it was, you know, customized and stuff. So yeah, just ventilating it. So if you notice, the hair is two small ones and one big one, and for you to get that two small ones, I'm going to be ventilating this part, just those two lines you see there, all the way down. So yeah, I'm just going to ventilate these two parts in two sides. So I will weave it down as soon as I'm done ventilating it. So yeah guys, this is how it's looking. Though that's the one I was ventilating earlier, so I ventilated it all the way down, and I've already, if you notice, I already weaved one at the side. So now I'm just weaving it all the way down. That's the second one. I'm weaving it like the first one that you see over there. So I'm just going to weave it down. Okay guys, I am done with the small one, so now I want to go ahead and start the big one. So if you notice at this side, this particular side here, I already ventilated it down. So all you need to do now is to crochet this part that you're seeing. I will crochet it little by little down. So this is just like so that you don't get to waste too much time ventilating the whole thing. So I'm going to crochet it two sides, this side and the other side. And when crocheting it, you have to crochet it little by little so that you don't rip the nets. So this is how it's going to be. So you just insert your crochet pin and make sure the one you're using is a very small one, like the smallest size that you can get out there, so that you don't rip the lace. You don't want to rip the lace. I'm telling you, all your work is just going to go into sham. So you just crochet it just like that, step by step. This is, you have to like be very careful and do it right so that you don't mess it up. And if you notice, I already ventilated the other side, so the two sides I ventilated is just to cover up when I'm weaving it. So yeah, so all you need to do now is to crochet this side all the way down. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of this video. Hope you guys liked it, hope you learned something from it today. So please guys, like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Till my next video, love you guys, bye.